Hello everyone, I'm Aristi Moorjackie. I'm a creative member of Corp brands, and I'm here to present you in very easy and quick ways so you can make burlap flowers. So we have a variety of flowers here, and let me start by showing you something. As you know, Corp has a huge collection of various burlap fabrics. I don't know if you can see it. It has a various collection of burlap in various many colors. So I have here a sample, and here are some samples: white, red, pink, black, green, a lighter pink, baby pink, gray, and the natural color. So some of those are samples that was given to me in the design team package, and some of those, like this one, for example, these are from the pads, the canvas, the mixed media pad or the paper pads. So some of the pads has some burlap pieces and various other papers. So as I show you the fabrics, the burlaps, the colors, let me show you what we will do. We will do some of these flowers. So the size of the flower, can you see the flowers? The size of the flower depends on how long is your burlap, how long is the stripe that you cut, and most of the stripes as you see here are under 12 inches. And it also depends on how wide you will cut your piece of burlap. So here we have a green, and it's very open, and here we have a very close one because it's not at all in natural color, and here we have a pink that is also a short one but a bit open. So let's start. All you will need is your glue gun, your scissors, your burlap stripe, and let's go with the red. It's very easy, very quick. Your glue gun, your scissors, and something to put as flower center. I guess you can also I'm just trying to find the straight here. I guess you can also use your sewing machine to do the thing that I will do now. First of all, we want to secure our edges. So I'm going to take my glue gun and create a line, and I'm using as guidelines the lines of the burlap, the lines of the fibers. That will be my guideline, and you want to secure that so it won't fade. That's why. Then we will decide how long we want our flower to be. The wider you will make your stripe, the wider your flower will be. So this one is a short stripe, but it's very wide. It's not too long, but it's very wide. Here it's a different one. So in this one, let's see, I will make two of them. So my stripe, I want it to be here. So we have quite 4 fingers wide. I'm not the measuring type, I'm just usually eyeballing things. Now you will follow the lines of your fabric. You have to follow, you find one line and you will follow that line of your fabric and create a straight line. Now I'm going over to mold it so the glue will stick there. So that was it. Make sure that you have your edge is very well secured. Let's make it so here and here. And now it will start the easy part. You will find one fiber and you will put So you have to pull your threads one by one, and the easiest way is to hold your piece like that. The only difficult will be the first piece, the first thread, and you will pull. We won't waste those threads because we will make a tassel with them. The first few, because it's too tight, it will be a bit difficult, but the rest of the one will be a piece of cake. So all you will do is pull your threads. That's the more time-consuming part of the project. And those threads can make a beautiful, beautiful tassel. I will take all the threads out and we will continue. So I pulled the threads in the gap between the two glue lines, and this is the last one. You have to pull your threads one by one, and you will leave two threads, two lines, two rows, if I may say so, before your glue. So you need those two lines, so your glue will stay there and make the flower. Now I prefer to start at the center. It makes it easier for me. I will glue two sides together. So I'm trying to make the first one very straight, and the glue will be on the space of the two lines we have here. We join the two edges together. Now we will cut it, and we will leave the two lines that I told you. That is glue. We want that part. We want to be our base, and we will use as guide the lines that the fiber makes, the burlap makes. I apologize for my English, but they are very, very bad. So I apologize for that if I don't know the terms and the proper words. Now we will start rolling and create a flower. The tighter you will make your roll, tighter your flower will be, and it will be, the looser you will make your roll, your flower will be more open. This that I cut it too close to the line, so this one's left, but we don't worry about that. We will glue it back in place. That's why I told you I don't follow my instructions. That's why I told you need the two rows gap. But I got it too narrow from one side. It's a very quick, very easy and very impressive flower. And with the canvas crop variation of colors in burlap, you will make amazing flowers that you can adjust to your project, so you can always have a matching flower for your project. This outside. And now we'll cut any excess that I have underneath. You can use something as a base or glue it directly to your project. I don't put something there, I'm just melting the glue so it won't look bad, because I'm not putting something on the lower part of my flower. That was the messy part. Sorry, I'm having glue strings. And now you will find your center of the flower and open the flower like this. I usually do this thing. I press it down and it opens. You can manipulate and open it and adjust it and make it as beautiful as you wish. So now we'll find our flower center. You can put a button. I have here various types of flower centers that you can use. Most of them are buttons. So I have here metallic buttons, white buttons, even a flat back pearl or a blink can be used there. So haven't decided what button to use. Wow, that looks nice for me, and that looks impressive. And this one stand up, so we will put this one. I'll put this one. Some glue there, and voila. I'm pressing it down to make it more open. If you don't like it that open, that wide, you can manipulate the fibers also. If you don't like it that wide, you don't press down. So we have here a very quick and easy burlap flowers. So the sky is the limit, how the size that you make them, the color that you put on them, the flower center that you will put on them. It's completely up to you. You have here in natural color with burlap, a pearl center, shorter stripe but very wide so it will open. I like this one, it looks so rustic. I like this one very much. You have very similar to the red one, a very modern one, you know. This is very basic, and you can make it small so you can put it in other type of projects. A tighter one. This one, it's not, the stripe wasn't, it was a long stripe but not wide, that's why it's more tight. So I hope you like it and got inspired. Don't forget to give thumbs up and leave a comment and tell us what you think. I'm Aristi, creative crew member for Canvas Crop Brass, and thank you for stopping by and watching. Bye bye.